So what we're looking at for 12A and B is we're saying that of all students, they follow a normal model that take this test, follows a normal model with a mean of 13.6 and a standard deviation of 3.1. But so what we're looking at is we want to know if he takes a sample of 22 students. So then the model we use is normal, and it's centered at 13.6 still, but it has a standard deviation of 3.1 over square root of 22. And for this model, we're wondering, let me make it a little smaller. For this model, we're wondering what's the probability, so here's 13.6, what's the probability the students get average less than a 12, somewhere down here. So we find the z-score for that, and then we can find the percentage less than that z-score. So I did probability that you get a sample average less than 12, and you find the z-score for that. And that will give you the percentage, and then you can use that to find the percentage. For B now, we're using this same model right here. This same model. And now we're saying, so his class of 22 again, so we're imagining all the samples of size 22. So again, the normal model, centered at 13.6 with a standard deviation of 3.1 over square root of 22. And we're wondering if his class, what do they need to score higher than to be above the top 5%, or what score is the 5th percentile? So we don't know this number right here. We want to know that number. But what we do know is down here, this is 5%. And so this is the 5th percentile. And so we're just going to go backwards to say, hey, first let's find the z-score for it. And to do that, if you do inverse norm of 0.05, that'll give you the z-score. It should be something negative down here. Then we're going to use our z-score formula. So use this thing, and we know the z-score. We know the average, and we know this is our model with this average and standard deviation, and now we know the z-score, so we can find the actual statistic, the average. And so if you put in these numbers, I'll show you what some of them are. So I don't know what the z-score is. I'll make you do that one. But the average, and this is the 13.6. This is the 3.1 over square root of 22. And then the z-score is what you find right above. And if you solve that for x bar, you get what score that relates to, that 5th percentile. Hopefully that one helps. Maybe I'll do a couple more. And let me know if you have any more questions.